Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable SignNow to manage bulk signature workflows, full guide step by step clearly. To enable SignNow to manage bulk signature workflows, start by logging into your SignNow account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Look for the templates option in the main menu and click on it. Next, select the Create Template button to start a new template. Upload your document that requires signatures. After the document uploads, proceed to set up the signature fields. Drag and drop the signature, date, and any other necessary fields to the appropriate locations within the document. Once your fields are configured, click on the Save Template button to save your work. Return to the dashboard and find the Bulk Send option in the menu. Select Bulk Send, and then choose the template you just created. Next, download the bulk upload template CSV file provided by SignNow. Open the CSV file and fill in the required information, including the email addresses of all signers. Ensure that you save the CSV file properly after making your entries. Back in the SignNow interface, upload the completed CSV file. Review the uploaded file for accuracy, and if everything looks good, click on Send Invitations. The system will now process the bulk. You can monitor the status of each signature request from the dashboard. If needed, send reminders to signers by selecting the relevant requests. As signers complete their signatures, you will receive notifications. Once all signatures are collected, download the completed document from your dashboard. This completes the process of enabling SignNow to manage bulk signature workflows. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.